Siddhi and welcome back to my channel. So before I begin this video, I want to address two things. First is that I'm filming this on the 24th of April and the situation outside is really grave, and by making this video I am in no way trying to undermine the situation or taking the focus away from the situation, because right now also you can hear there are ambulances going on around 24/7 and it is really bad outside. And I know everyone is in a bad mental state, but the reason of making this video is Dhwani. She herself has been through a little difficult time in the past few months, and it's her birthday. And I know if it was me in her place, she would have made sure to make my birthday really, really special. So this is a little effort to make her birthday a little bit happier. And the second thing is a happy thing. Thank you so much for helping me reach my first 1,000 subscribers, and a special thanks to my Marathi audience. तुम्ही माझ्या फार्म ऑफ हॅपीनेसच्या व्हिडिओला खूप खूप छान प्रतिसाद दिलात, आणि त्यामुळे आपला व्हिडिओ आत्ता 70,000 ऑलमोस्ट हिट करेल व्ह्यूज, विच इज अ ह्यूज नंबर फॉर मी. सो थँक्यू सो मच, तुम्ही माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं आणि मला सपोर्ट केलात, आणि मी नक्कीच मराठी कॉन्टेंट अजून बनवणार आहे. सो स्टे ट्यून. Now coming back to today's video, it's Dhwani's 21st birthday and we are stuck in a lockdown. So we are not going out obviously, and she's my neighbor, by the way. If you guys don't know, she's my neighbor, but she's more than a sister to me, a little sister to me. So since we are all stuck here, I thought I'll plan a schedule. Like आजकल सब कुछ हेवार चल रहा है लाइफ में, so I made a birthday itinerary for her. I'll put it somewhere here. This was the schedule, you can pause and check it out. And right now I'm prepping for a DIY studio wherein her friends are going to join us via Zoom call, and we're going to have a nice painting session. So let's see how this goes. Hi, before the DIY studio, I forgot to told you that we had a photo shoot slot because she loves clicking pictures. So I thought I'll get her pictures clicked for her. I asked her to get ready, but we were running so late and so behind the schedule, and her friends were going to be online at 4:15. So I legit like crashed in 3 or 4 photos. Even she's not satisfied, I know. But Dhwani, if you're watching, which I know you are, we'll have a photo shoot once, full on time nikal ke. But these are a few pictures. They're really cute, but I could do better.
Which way does the wind blow? Well, it doesn't matter to me anymore. Feel like it's a waste of time, nothing. Waking by myself, can't wait to place the blame, cause there's nobody else. Don't know what to do.
So we are just done with Dhwani's friends video call. Actually we are not done, they're still on video call, but they're waiting for us to start painting. How did you like it?
I loved it. Oh my god, I'm so happy today. Even if I didn't meet them in person, I'm extremely happy. And I love you guys. They are still online.
Yeah. So now we are like starting to paint. I'll put this phone on tripod so that you can see what we are doing. Picasso's on duty now.
Some things are meant to be. With the weight of 24/7 feels like it's so short. I pray there will be a better day. Too much. Say
Alright, so one out of the 2 most exciting parts of the schedule has been done, and it was really fun. Her friends played some really exciting games which she really enjoyed, and then we painted something. The initial plan was to paint the same thing, but the tutorial that I selected, मैंने actually अच्छे से देखा नहीं था क्या है कैसा है, whether we even have those skills. So we did not really follow it through, but everything that we did was really good. And now is the second most exciting part of the day that I'm going to do. I have a few gifts which I had ordered almost a month ago, because sadly I did predict that it will get a little worse as time passed. So I had ordered my gifts back in March, like first week of March, and I'll be hiding those. in Dhwani's house, and I'll be giving her a few clues, and you'll see how this goes. But yeah, the plan now is to have a treasure hunt at her place. So let's go there. So ये तुम्हारा first clue.
Your first clue is near the place where you eat. Go there now and look under your seat. आम्ही इथेच जेवतो.
हाँ माहिती आहे.
सकाळी कुठे बघली
कुठे?
सकाळी कुठे बघली
कुठे?
मला काय माहिती. Is that the only sofa where you sit to eat?
तो माझा सोफा नाहीच आहे पण.
Don't go into the technicalities now. Do you want to open everything all at once?
मम्मी.
Or one by one? All at once, ना?
वाओ. ए रियांचा बर्थडे है.
But ऐसा किसका फोटो उसने दिया ऐसा नहीं है.
ओके.
हाँ.
B is cute and his smile is also killer. Find a place you could reach if you were just a bit tall. ते माझं बुकशेल्फचं वरचं काय?
I knew you would get this.
Yeah, because I don't reach my bookshelf. No, it is the worst. Yeah. If a clock knows what time is it and a pencil can write, tell me what to do. What do you use to take a big bite?
What do you use to take a big bite?
Mouth.
But I can't hide it in your mouth.
Tell me what do you use to take a big bite? Knife.
Knife से खाती है?
Spoon.
हाँ. Why did you take so long?
Oh, it's a big gift. Woohoo! Grace has merited Derek and Christina. Where do you keep things cold? वो जगह पे जाना. What is this?
Yeah. अंकल ने बता दिया तेरे को.
क्या?
फ्रिज में जाओ. फ्रिज में मत जाओ. फ्रिज के वहाँ जाओ. फ्रिज के वहाँ. Yeah, you're going right. But like my tripod can catch it if I do this.
Wow! Next clue is nowhere to be seen. Look in the place where you go to get clean. Bathroom. I got it.
मैं बाहर से ही लूंगी. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. You say you never have enough of these, but you know it's a lie. The next gift is hidden in a big mess. Cleaning करता येतं काय?
ये नहीं का है. No. Read it again.
Even this is a mess.
No, but that's not the mess that I was. Read it again. हाँ.
Your favorite
Clothes?
jagah.
Yeah.
कपडे तो ते सर्व मॅच
Clothes.
मैस है ना. कपड़े मैस है ना. I won't go near the mess. It is very dirty.
अजून आहेत? The time has come to reveal your final treat. Finding this treasure has been a mighty feat. Walk with elegance, stand and poise. Go to a place where you make some noise. Yeah.
No.
ए चुप. No बोलते no. Something is not packed. Something that you think is different in your cupboard. क्या तेरे को पता नहीं है?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Final था ये.
I'm staring at my ceiling. I'm trying just to feel something. Feeling like I can win. Wishing to begin again. No, life just ain't the real right now. Living in this quarantine as the days go by. I think some things are meant to be. With the weight of 24, 7 feels like it's so short. I pray there will be a better day. Oh,
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dhwani. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Dhwani. Happy birthday to you. Alright, you guys, so this was it for Dhwani's birthday. Let's ask her how did she like it.
I loved it, especially the treasure hunt and the games that I played with my friends, and we painted along. We too also painted, and I guess that was.
Did you expect this out of a lockdown birthday?
No, I didn't. I definitely didn't. I thought last year जैसे that video वगैरह हो जाएगा और फिर दिन खत्म हो जाएगा.
But oh, thank you for mentioning. Last year we had made a video for her, and I am really proud of that video. It was
Yes.
very cute. So I'll be linking it down below. You should check it out if you're planning to make a video for your friends. For her birthday, her or his birthday. It is a very cute
It
idea,
is
right?
a very cute video.
Yeah, but this time I was like वीडियो वगैरह सब लास्ट ईयर हो गया है. वो पेपर पकड़ के हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखना भी हो गया है. That was so 2020. Now 2021 needs something else. Thankfully we stay next to each other. We could at least visit each other.
Yeah.
As in like none of our family members have gone out, so we all are safe. So thank God for that, and we could be together for this birthday. That's the biggest blessing, I would say.
Yeah, definitely.
And yeah, we missed our happy family, that is true.
I did.
Yeah, but we will make it up to you very soon. And we will vlog that day also. Yeah, so
Was this a promo video for that vlog?
yeah, you can
my
say.
God.
Do you want to say anything else?
We have a movie plan now.
Oh yeah, I
And
forgot about that.
We'll be watching some movie which.
I don't know. My friends have decided some really shitty movie, and I'm very sure I'm going to sleep through it. Let's see. Anyway, don't be excited for that part. इतना ही exciting दिन था आज तेरा. इससे exciting और कुछ होने नहीं वाला. ठीक है. Oh, and Prutha also helped me a lot through the day. So shout out to Prutha. Prutha is Dhwani's little sister. Want to say something? Okay.
Subscribe to our channel, please.
Oh, she only says important things, only golden words. Listen to her. So, yeah, if you did like this video, I know it was not as like full of content as my other videos, but घर पे है, इतने में इतना ही हो सकता है. I still
Yeah.
tried a lot. I hope you really liked it.
I loved it.
And I hope if you guys like, I wish nobody should go through this phase again in their life ever. But if in the coming days there is any lockdown imposed, like I don't know how, where we are going and anything else, but if you want to make anyone feel special, if you can use anything out of this video, I'd be really glad. But I really hope you don't get like वो वक्त ना आए आपके ऊपर. Even thinking that makes me feel very like off. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying home, and you are in your best health. Yeah, wear your mask and keep social distancing. Okay, we'll see you next time. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like it, and